Climate change has today become an inescapable reality, affecting agriculture and livelihood across the world. In India, one name is making great efforts towards mitigating the effects of climate change on agriculture through afforestation on wastelands. The Indian Farm Forestry Development Cooperative Limited, promoted in 1993 by the Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited or IFFCO, which is biggest processed fertilizer cooperative society in the world. It was an initiative to enhance the quality of services to the farmers by IFFCO. IFFDC launched several eco-restoration and wasteland development programs and integrated them with rural livelihood development and poverty alleviation programs in the country. Today, through IFFDC's efforts, more than 29,000 hectares of wasteland has been developed as multi-purpose forests across different states of the country. The developed forests have proved beneficial to the local community in getting fuel wood, fodder, increased groundwater level, and have conserved biodiversity to develop climate change resilience. A great emphasis has also been laid on water harvesting measures like construction of stop dams, farm ponds, well deepening, etc., which has resulted in increased water table, and the farmers are able to harvest their second crop successfully, leading to more returns. IFFDC also focuses a great deal on the issue of women empowerment, providing a strong platform to women for their overall development through self-help groups. Presently, IFFDC is nurturing 1,728 self-help groups with a total membership of 17,673, helping develop a sense of leadership and self-dependence amongst the women. Owing to its exemplary efforts towards environment conservation and social empowerment, IFFDC has been bestowed with several prestigious awards. IFFDC goes on to prove how a cooperative society, through concentrated efforts, can create a positive and lasting impact to mitigate the impact of climate change and provide sustainable livelihood to rural communities through efficient management of natural resources.